Learn how to install window tint like a pro in under a minute. Follow these technical steps. First, make sure you have your soapy solution, Teflon squeegees, cutter, and heat gun. The key to success is absolute cleanliness. Spray the solution and use a razor blade to remove any impurities from the glass. Now, place the tint on the outside to get the exact measurement, always leaving a minimal margin on the edges for the final cut. Use the heat gun at about 15 centimeters to heat shrink the material so it takes the exact curvature of the glass. Once molded, remove the protective liner by constantly spraying water to prevent dust from sticking, and carefully take it to the inside of the vehicle. Firmly use your squeegee from the center to the edges to extract all the water and remove air bubbles. If this technical guide helped you, save it and subscribe for more tips. Want to take your installations to the next level? At IGTuning, we have over 3,000 products available for you. Check out our catalog and discover everything we offer.